What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. We are out here working on a Jeep tonight. As you've seen in my previous upload, I got the welder, I got the plasma cutter, and God, can I tell you, it makes life so much nicer and so much easier. I'm over here cutting metal. It was already turned that color when they tried to cut it at the shop, but I'm cutting metal like hot knife and butter. Like this shit is so amazing. I haven't filmed nothing yet of me doing it because I'm letting the camera charge a little bit, but I'm gonna wait to let the lady cut the next part of this when she gets home, if she hurries up. So hopefully by the time she gets home, we'll have some charge. We'll go ahead and we'll get the next portion of this cut so we start tacking it in. But our sunroof is out, our edges are ground down. We've got our square tubing over there in the back of the truck. We're gonna go ahead and get that rest of that plate right there cut out. As you can see, this is going to be the skin that's going to go over. We've got our radiuses right there drawn out. I've already cut this side and that side, but we are making headway. As soon as this is in, it'll be time to put the roof in. I know you guys seen it. I totally forgot to show you. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other one is on the way. Told you guys this shit wasn't no joke. Wasn't no joke. We was being for real. We putting in that work. As you can see, we got not one, but two of the biggest bass clef series crescendos they make. Man, we gonna be cruising on cruise control. These amps ain't even gonna be hurting. But yeah, we got one more sub coming. God, this shit's gonna be loud. But now it's time to get back to work. And just like that, it's cut. Alright guys, so we've been out here busting ass me and a lady. She's a big help. If you guys ain't got a lady, you need to get you one. But did somebody order? There she is. Hey baby. Look, she's running. What are you doing, baby?
I need to get my phone. Right away.
Well, love you. The sunroof delete is in. Everything minus the bodywork. And you'll be good to go. Once it's bed lined, you won't even know it won't dare. But we deleted where the roof rack was mounted and all 4 points. The bullshit OnStar thing that was on here, But once it's body filled all the way around, you won't even know that it won't there. We're gonna add our braces across tomorrow in the daylight, and then it'll be time to start cutting wooden panels to make our roof. Just look at that thing. Just look at this damn surfboard right here. Just look at that thing. Just look at it. Won't you look at it? But yeah, that's where we're gonna end this thing at tonight. I'm tired. Got an amber in my eye. It hurt. But yeah, the sunroof delete is in. All it needs is a little body filler. Smooth everything on out. We'll get the braces in it, and then it'll be time to put a wooden roof in this bad boy. But yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and I'll be back at it tomorrow afternoon. I'll try and get a little more footage. My phone was dying as of usually, because I fell asleep, forgot to plug it in last night. So hopefully tomorrow I can get some footage of actually putting in the braces and things like that, so that you guys can see the process. I mean, it's not really that hard, but some people need to see how it's done so that they can attempt to do it on their builds. But yeah, I do appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to smash that subscribe. I'm gonna holler at you guys tomorrow. I'm out.